It's with great pride and excitement that we are gathered here today for the culmination of our fire prevention activities. The Inter-Barangay Fire Prevention Fire Olympics 2025. This month, we dedicated ourselves to raising awareness about fire safety, equip our community, and with the knowledge and skills needed to prevent and respond to prevent emergencies. Today, we put those lessons into actions, showcasing the preparedness and teamwork of our barangays. We recognize the vital role each barangay plays in ensuring the safety of our city. The Fire Olympics is not just a competition. It is a demonstration of our collective commitment to protect lives and properties. It's a testament to the community spirit and resilience of La Carlota City. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the barangays participating to the Bureau of Fire Protection for their invaluable support and to everyone who contributed to making this event possible. And let's witness the skills, the camaraderie, the dedication of our participants. May this event strengthen our community and reinforce our commitment to the fire-safe La Carlota. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your message. At this moment, I would like to introduce our guest speaker.
Once again, good afternoon, everyone, to our Board of Judges and guests. Good afternoon, ma'am, sirs. We are truly honored today to have with us a remarkable individual, a true daughter of La Carlota City, who has not only excelled in her professional life, but also dedicated herself to the betterment of our community. Our guest of honoring speaker is a testament to the power of dedication, resilience, and a heart for service. She is a proud mother of two, a shining example of balancing life and career with grace and strength. A graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Electronics and Communications Engineering, he has broadened her horizon to encompass a wider range of expertise, demonstrating a commitment to lifelong learning and personal development. Let me introduce to you a woman of many talents and accomplishments, the owner and founder of Karen Magan Reformante Wellness Center, where she champions holistic well-being. The executive assistant to the mayor of La Carlota City, playing a crucial role in supporting government initiatives and community programs. We are a respected speaker, lecturer, a workshop facilitator, inspiring individuals towards growth and excellence, and an entrepreneur coach, empowering others to succeed in their business ventures. Her impressive background includes a master's in education, and her skills span strategic communication and public relations, leadership development, government and community liaison, and organizational management. She is a dynamic and purpose-driven professional committed to inspiring individuals and communities towards growth, integrity, and excellence. Please join me in warmly welcome a native daughter of La Carlota, Miss Karen Magan Reformante.
As Senior Fire Officer 3, Cheryl Zapanta, Acting Fire Marshal of Pontevedra, Senior Fire Officer 3, Sandro Manangkil, and Senior Fire Officer 3, Ramil Plaza, Retired Fire Marshal of Portia, si Sir Manangkil, Acting Fire Marshal of San Enrique. Mayong hapon sa inyo tanan, sa tanan nga participants nga ari di kag sa tanan nga at nga nag-alattend ari sumumbiskan ulan. Ang muni ang ginatawag yang umulan at umaraw. Ari kaya gapon. No kay ang sunog wala man niya may ginapilit nga weather, sir, no? Sige. So mayong hapon sa tanan. It is an honor to join you today in behalf of our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Rex Halandoon, who sends his warmest greetings and full support for this event, the Inter-Barangay Fire Olympics. Dapat 5 ka mo subong, ibala? 3 na lang sure na yung first, second, third, kidya ka mo. Congratulations na yung daan in advance. Due to prior commitment with the Department of Agrarian Reform, si Mayor, amo nang mawala siya subok sa atin. First and foremost, I would like to commend the La Carlota City Fire Station under the active leadership of Acting City Fire Marshal, Fire Inspector Paulo Antonio Garin Jr., who recently been promoted, sir. Congratulations. For organizing events like this. Not just as a public showcase, but as a powerful tool to empower our barangays. Kanami gid na they make sure they are productive with their time while staying ready and alert to respond sa mga emergencies naton. Initiatives like these equip our communities with practical knowledge and life-saving skills. Kung hindi lang yung pasundayag, ha? Ang inyo yung natunan, kagang inyo subong nga i-demonstrate sa amon, these are life-saving skills. Ensuring that we can respond quickly and effectively when emergencies arise. To the participating barangays, Barangay San Miguel, Pakpak, Batuan, and Barangay La Granja, we applaud your presence, your energy, and your commitment. Because of your dedication, your barangays are not only safer but also more empowered. Ang inyo nga participation sa sininga event, extra blessing din sa inyo mga barangay. In times of emergency, your communities can count on your skills and knowledge to offer immediate help and support. You are showing us that real leadership begins at the barangay level. When citizens come together to learn, practice, and prepare for the unexpected. And in doing so, you inspire others to take safety and preparedness seriously. Lastly, we offer our heartfelt thanks to everyone who worked behind the scenes, ang bilog nga Bureau of Fire Protection sa La Carlota, to make this event possible. Useful, practical, and empowering activities like this truly contribute to the ongoing growth and betterment of our community and our city. Let this event remind us that when we are united in purpose, equipped with knowledge, and guided by compassion, we can rise above any challenge. Congratulations once again to the organizers, the brave participants, and all our dedicated barangay leaders. Padayon La Carlota, madamugid na salamat.
Thank you, ma'am, for that word of encouragement. At this moment, may I call our Acting City Fire Marshal, Fire Inspector Paulo Antonio Garin Jr., and FO3 Catherine De Valdez to give the token of appreciation to our guest speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ako ay Ako, ang inyong ngalan, nagapanumpa nga sa sini nga Inter-Barangay Fire Olympics. Magapakita ako sa matutuod na espiritu sang sports. Maghambang ako nga may integridad, pagtahod, kagpag kamantinumanan sa mga pagsulunda. Patunon ko ang kadalagan kag ang kapirtiyan. Na may pagpaubos. Nagapakita ako sa pagrespeto sa akon mga kasubong nga atleta. Mga opisyales, kag sa mga tumalanaw. Magabulig ako sa pagpataas
Ay, di pugaw.